Alright, who's ready for adventure? Woo!
Snow Peak Way East. Thank you all for coming. We have people coming far and wide, many of us coming from Portland, Oregon, Boston, Canada. Anybody from Europe?
Me!
Yeah! All right, save us from America. All right. Thank you. Thank you all for coming. We're so excited to have you here. Part of this event is about just a time for us to hang out as a community. And so one of the things we love to do is have each of our staff that are here working, supporting, having fun with you all.
My name is Yui.
Yui!
Chief Brand Officer Snow Peak USA. Thanks for coming to Snow Peak East, Way East. I will do kanpai here as a tradition of Snow Peak Way. Please hold your glass or can or bottle. Okay, welcome. Kanpai!
Kanpai!
Like we're only gonna stay for like a night or two, so. But I like having the options.
Yeah.
Like,
no.
I think we should do this kind of.
Come on. No.
I like it. Come on. I like to think about how like I definitely like thought about how that would be fun to community prep station.
No. Come on.
I knew there was supposed to be a little more like rotating the face.
No. Yeah.
I feel like they have to be.
I wasn't there, but I remember Tyler telling me about it. Yeah.
And where it's like it makes time for hobbies or playing with people like almost impossible.
That's why today when you were like, oh, there's only 2 stops.
How's it going, Sal?
Good. What's going on, Ross? What's going on, gentlemen?
Hey. Hey. What's up? What's up?
Sad.
You know, Ruby and Brad. You want my shout out, Sonny?
What is it about Snow Peak that makes it such a special brand? So maybe there's a couple, maybe it's the product. Snow Peak has really cool product, a heritage brand. Back 1958 it started. We have awesome products. So that's one thing. Maybe it's the partners. We have some of the coolest partners. All of our Snow Peak Ways have these great workshops, things to do together. I think because we're such a cool brand, we also have very cool partners. So that's another really cool thing about Snow Peak. Maybe it's the customers. We have really cool customers. They're all so humble. They take care of one another. They invite one another in. They create these awesome events. And then I think when you put all those things together, it's the community. And that's what makes Snow Peak amazing. It's the community, it's the people coming back to Snow Peak Way over and over again. It's our staff. We all look forward to this every year just because this community is so amazing. And don't tell anybody else this, but...
Yeah!
Go New York Knicks.
Hello, hello, hello. How's it going?
What's up, dude?
You guys good?
Yeah.
I have some banana bread if you want.
Banana bread?
Yeah.
I'll pass by later.
Yeah.
Thanks.
This in this evening if you go into the water. It looks like this, and two long tail.
Whoa!
Can I refill cider? Of course.
As many times as you like.
Yeah, so there's a bit of a history of cider making, explicitly. So yeah, expert grower. Thank you.
Oh, it smells good.
You too? My gosh, guys. Y tengo también pollito. Así que no te preocupes.
And what's the name of this?
Eso. Yay.
Soup?
Sancocho. Where are you?
Es muy parecido al
Sancocho.
cubano.
Yeah. So.
Yo creo que el cubano no lo añade.
I actually want more. I want more. I've got cups right here. Maybe I would go straight from.
That's unbelievable. I gotta see if this fits in the bag.
You can print for 25.
It does fit in the bag. Will it fit?
You're gonna have to do some work. You know, we
Yes.
talk to people.
Yes, it does.
I mean, 13%. Go to like a publisher.
It's super hot.
Yeah.
Fresh from the
I
fryer.
know. And potato.
Very busy.
Oh man, that was so good.
I'm glad you like this. There's more coming. More. So.
What are you making? Are you making the same?
I'm part of this family now. That's my sister.
Sounds like laughing.
We inserted our.
I'll go, bro. Should I lock Ivory? Where do I San Francisco.
Yeah, I went in August.
If you want una evaluación, si me estás evaluando, crece ir a una parte que fue negativa. Esto lo entiendo. Quítale el resto, si haces un balance, que me parece que pues ha estado bastante bien.
Whatever one's possible is good.
Cold brew with that. Or a group that had like a projector and there were like 30 people watching. I have to go sneak to the bathroom and go look at the scores. It sounded so cool, yeah.
We were watching it. You captured it so crazy. Whatever one's possible is good.
Cold brew with that.
Hey.
Is this anybody's bag?
We'll make your hair.
Is that yours? Alright, thank you all very much. We're going to take a picture now. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hurry up!
Set up a timer.
Yeah, on the count of three. Smoky way. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 10 seconds countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No big one. Three, two, one. No big one. Yes.
You know,